Hi friends, today we see linear equation in two variables. Class 10th chapter first. Okay, in previous lecture we see practice set 1.1 to solve linear equation. Now we see practice set 1.2 and solve the equations by graphical method. How to solve linear equation by graphical method. Okay, here we draw first flowchart. How to solve the graphical method. How to solve linear equation by graphical method. First, find four order pair. We have given equation. Suppose x plus y is equal to 3. This is our equation, linear equation. We solve this equation. Take the four values x, 0, 1, 2 and find the values of y. Okay. And these are the four order pair. Four pair of the equations. Okay. Values of the four pair. Then draw x and y axis on the graph paper. Then plot the point on the graph paper. And when both the lines, equation first and equation second, both the lines were touched, this is the solution of our equation. The point where both the lines are touch each other, this point is the solution of our given equation. Okay. Now we see practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2. Question first, complete the following table. Okay. Questions first is complete the following table. In this question, first equation is x plus y is equal to 3. Okay. X plus y is equal to 3. And we have given x, y, x, y. Okay. First given x is 3. Here y is 5. And here y is 3. Okay. Put these values in equation. Our given equation x plus y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, find this value. X is equal to 3. 3 plus y is equal to 3 means y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 3, y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 5, y is 5 means our equation x plus 5 is equal to 3 means x is equal to, here plus is 5, take this side, minus 5, 3 minus 5 minus 2 because 5 has the greater sign, greater number, 5 has negative sign, minus 2. Now y is equal to 3, x plus 3 is equal to 3 means our value x is equal to 3 minus 3, y x is equal to 0. Okay. We have plot these points on the graph. 3, 0, minus 2, 5 and 0, 3. Okay. Understand? Now we find these points for equation second. What is the equation second? X minus y is equal to 4. X, y, x, y. Okay. X minus y is equal to 4. Where x is first given y is 0, x is minus 1 and y is minus 4. Okay. When y is 0, put this value y is equal to 0 in equation. X minus 0 is equal to 4 means x is equal to 4. When x is equal to minus 1 minus y is equal to 4. Minus 1, take this side, plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Minus y is equal to 5. That means y is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to minus 5. Third value, x is equal to y is equal to minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 4. Means x minus plus. X plus 4 is equal to 4. X is equal to 0. This plus, take this side, minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Our point is 0. Okay. Means we have given points 4, 0, minus 1, minus 5, 0, minus 4. Now we plot these points on graph paper. Okay. First write this all the points on notebook and then we draw these points on graph. This is our graph paper. Okay. Now we plot these points on a graph paper. This horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called x-axis. We have given scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1. Plot 1 centimeter 1, 2 centimeter 2. Same on x and y-axis. Okay. Now our first point is 3, 0. 3. X-axis 3, y-axis 0. Circle this point. Then minus 2. X-axis minus 2 and y-axis plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5 means this is point. Minus 2 plus 5. Third point is 0, 3. Means x-axis 0 and y-axis 3. Here is our point. Now join these points for equation first. Okay. Now draw the points for second equation. X minus y is equal to 4. When x is 4, y is 0. Means this point. When x is minus 1, y is minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5. When x is 0, y is minus 4. X is 0 and y is minus 4. Means this point. Now join the 3 points to complete the graph. Okay. Join. Okay. Now this line equation is x plus y is equal to 3, and for this line equation is x minus y is equal to 4. Now how to find the solution? We first find the values for x and y, and for x and y we plot the points. For both equations we plot points. Now here both the lines are touch this point on x-axis and on y-axis. X-axis, both the lines touch at the point 3.5, and on the y-axis 0.5, but this is under the x-axis, below the x-axis, means y is equal to minus 0.5. Okay, our solution is x is equal to 3.5 and y is equal to minus 0.5. Understand? This is our solution. We can prove this. Our equation is x plus y is equal to 3, and our answer is x is equal to 3.5 and y is equal to minus 0.5. Okay, now put this value in the given equation. 3.5 minus 0.5 is equal to 3. Means our solution is correct. Okay, our solution is correct. Now we see the second example. Practice set 1.2, question number 2. Solve the following equations by graphical method. Equations are 3x minus y is equal to 2. 3x is the first equation. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Find the points for x and y. For x, we take the random value 0, 1, 2. We can take minus values, plus values, 0 values, any value. Okay. Now we find for y. When x is equal to 0, 0 minus y is equal to 2. Means y is equal to minus 2. Okay. When x is equal to 1, 3 into 1, 3. 3 minus y is equal to 2. Minus y is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1. Means y is equal to 1. When x is 1, y is also 1. For third, x is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6 minus y is equal to 2. minus y is equal to 2 minus 6 minus y is equal to minus 4. Means y is equal to 4. When x is 2, y is 4. When x is 3, 3 3s are 9 minus y is equal to 2 minus y is equal to minus 7. Means y is equal to 7. When x is 3, y is 7. Our points x on y 0, minus 2, 1, 1, 2, 4 and 3, 7. Okay, these are our points for equation first. Now we see the equation second. What is the equation second? 2x minus y is equal to 1. Take random values for x 0, 1, 2, 3. When x is 0, this term is 0, minus y is equal to 1. Means y is equal to minus 1. When x is 0, y is minus 1. When x is 1, 2 into 1, 2. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 2. Minus y is equal to minus 1. Means y is equal to 1. When x is 1, y is also 1. For third value, x is equal to 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Means y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, 2 3s are 6 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. Y is equal to 5. Okay, y is equal to 5. Understand? When x is 0, y is minus 1. When x is 1, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 3. And when x is 3, y is 5. 0, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 and 3, 5. These are the points to plot a graph. Okay. Now plot these points on the graph. First we plot the points. On x-axis, x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 0, y is minus 2. When x is 1, y is 1. Means this point. When x is 2, y is 4. 2 and 4. When x is 3, y is 7. When x is 3, y is 7. Now join these points. This is the line for equation first. Okay. Now draw the second equation. X is 0 and y is minus 1. X is 1, y is 1. X is 1, 1, this point. X is 2, y is 3, means this point. X is 3, y is 5, means this point. Join these points. Okay. This is second equations. Line for second equation and line for first equation. Where both the lines are touch here at this point 1, 1. Okay. Means our solution of linear equation x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. Understand? X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. We can plot all the equation as same way. Okay. Our equation is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Our solution x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, 3 into 1, 3 minus y 1. 3 minus 1, 2 means our solution is correct. Okay. Our solution is correct. We can solve all these equations by this method, graphics method. Very easy method. Okay. Okay friends, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Okay friends, bye.